So I bought, actually pre-ordered the Rabbit R1 as soon as I read the news about the release news about when it was announced during, I think it was CES, and it arrived, and let's unbox it and take a look. All of this obviously is one-handed. My recording setup is upstairs and I'm outside enjoying the sun. So excuse the potentially shoddy video here. What does that say? Something about, oh, when you get it, make sure that's a tamper sealing. All right, but and that's what this tab is for. There we go. Aha. So we've got some padding. Okay, that's nice. Protection, but also probably overkill. But hey, if you're gonna send out a product, you might as well, make it look nice. So if it has one side, it's got two sides. So can we, will it let us? Yeah, it's probably stuck on there using some kind of glue. Okay, let's not mess with it further. That's all we need to have known anyway, right? Let's put that back because I like to keep things nice and tidy, except for the initial plastic. Here we go. All right, it tells you right off the bat and out of the plastic that these tops are the microphone. It has a USB C type port. You've got a micro SD card on it, and this is your PTT or press to talk, and that's it. And underneath, what do we got? We've got the scroll wheel, the speaker, and the rabbit eye, which is I think it actually flips over too. And then on the front, you've got your other information like your serial. You still got that wheel and that camera, which flips over. Alrighty, let's open. So this black plastic, this ribbon here makes you think that there is a tab, just like, I don't know, where have I seen this pack of gum? But I haven't found the other side. So the easiest way is to just pull this thing off. And we'll do that. But there are two sides of it. So need to get the other side. Actually, let's break the plastic sealing. It's probably even easier because it's actually sort of wrap around. There we go. Okay. So I don't know if you've ever opened up a cassette tape. Are those things still a thing? But it is clipped that way and just like that. And it's open. Now you wouldn't know it from the sort of frosted case that this is a really, really bright orange color device. Okay, all glossy and all that. Please, what does it say? Peel off the mask with the sticker. Right. There is a mask that covers this one. I don't want to do that now. A little later. So let me just talk about this scroll wheel over here. It's a nice scroll wheel. And this camera, which will, it recesses and it's sort of hidden. You can see that there on the bottom part. Let me see if I can get that. There's a black dot over there. So it hides just like, what's it like? The DJI Pocket, which kind of recesses when it's off. And the press talk. And there we go. And nothing to indicate. Apparently no way to what is the word? Accessorize with adding like your name on this thing. I'm sure you can put stickers, but it would be nice if they actually offered some accessorization on this sort of Kickstarter version of it. But yeah, so holding it just like that and pressing it, and then remember the microphones are up here on top, those two holes, maybe too close. And I guess that speaker, which is at the right hand side if it's facing you, would be coming from this side. So just make sure that you don't cover it, that way you can actually hear the feedback. So all right, let's take a look at that sticker. And I don't exactly know if I should. I mean, this is like one of those you know um, cell phone screen protector things. I I'm not exactly sure, and I didn't read the specs that this is actually a touch screen. I don't think so. So I am towards leaving it on for the meantime. And there are no instructions like in the box of how to turn this on. I guess all the stuff is online. Or should I even plug it in first? Where is the on button on this thing? Because over here is just the SD card connection, which let's see if we can actually pull it out. No, it makes it a little difficult. Oh, wait a minute. Now it turns on. What did I press? What did I press? I don't know what I pressed. So it's booting up. There we go. The R1. Then it flips over. That's probably the push to talk, which I pressed. And it says click push to talk. Click to continue. Select a network. We selected a network, and now it's thinking, or at least trying to connect. So how do you actually enter um, your Wi-Fi access point information in here? Should be interesting. While it's doing that, I'm just gonna highlight the fact that this camera is actually protected. See the plastic over there? And it's the same thing on the back. I think that was a good choice, right? Protect the protect the camera as it swivels. That way, it won't get stuck. So eventually, a keyboard did appear, and then it went back to network and Wi-Fi connection choices. So one of those buggy things I already noticed on initial impressions. Okay, you know what? That screen actually is telling us to turn it sideways. I realized, see? Duh. I mean, all right, can you? It is a touchscreen, so it's a good thing I did remove that. So let me enter the password for the Wi-Fi. There we go. And now we are connected. It now tells us to go to activate this link. All right, let's do that. You know what? This is a setup part of things. So, but this video was just to do the initial impression of when it was delivered. I might do the rest of the setup or put a link to it at some point. But yeah, I think it's still cute. I don't hate it yet, so I'll come back and give you my initial impressions on actually using this thing. Right? Thanks for hanging out, and until the next one.